Beyond Cool is back, and today making a simple protein shake without using any kind of protein powder, just items that I find in my refrigerator, and of course picking up fresh blueberries, and of course there's another secret. You see green bananas, we're not going to use those, so stay tuned to see how we're going to make the best banana blueberry protein smoothie. There you go. That was a mouthful. So here is a cool hack. When you have bananas and you haven't eaten them, the best thing you can do is as soon as they turn a little bit golden brown, you throw them in your freezer, and they are amazing. Some people like to pre-peel them, but I like to peel them afterwards. And the shake is going to be cold without ice cubes because guess what? The banana is frozen. So this is super, super cool. And they're super, super easy to peel. Let's watch. Karate chop. Damascus steel as finest. I love Damascus steel. Wow, that was a hard word to say. Damascus. Oh boy. I'll work on it afterwards. Anyways, let's cut up these bananas to show you how easy they are. So all you have to do is cut the ends, and then some people like to run their knives through here. You can, but you have to be super careful, especially with this knife. And it comes off super, super easy. And if you let it thaw a little bit more, it comes out even easier. So as you can see, that's what you do. I'm going to make this thaw just a couple more minutes so I can show you the amazing peel that goes with these bananas. Once again, another true hack. Alright, 30 seconds was the perfect amount of thaw time. I already took one skin off. I didn't make a line through, and all you have to do is pull it off like that. And it's super simple. As I said earlier, a lot of people prefer to peel their bananas before they freeze them, and that's awesome too. It's a little bit faster if you like your protein shakes. But when I'm in a go and I see a banana to the rescue, I throw it in the freezer. And again, if you have them ready, I would put them in a freezer Ziploc bag. In this case, they don't need to be. And I'm just taking off this right here. I just don't like this part right here. But the banana's peeled and it looks beautiful. So we'll move that aside and we do a couple karate chops. Ay-ya-ya, ay-ya, ay-ya, ay-ya. And then, as you can see, it's a beautiful banana. Throw that in the trusted blender that is super old, that made sure that I got my money's worth out of it. I would love a Ninja, but I'm not there yet. So, hey, you do with what you have. So, 2 bananas are in the blender. Now let's do the rest. Now the star of the show, blueberries. So this is 1 pint. I said pint. That's so cool. I would love a pint of beer right now, but it's morning. Hey, somewhere in the world it's not morning. So we have a pint of blueberries. Again, if you have fresh bananas, these are kind of green, you can use these if you don't have frozen bananas ready to go. Again, very simple. You do what you like. So I got this cool vanilla extract. Oh, see, I don't even have it open yet. I like to just do a little bit of this. This is pure and it's organic. Whoa, that's going to be amazing. Oh boy. I should have measured that into like a little baby teaspoon because that is like super, super expensive. To make a protein, I like to use walnuts. That's my go-to. This is really scientific. 3 tablespoons of walnuts. So right here, this is my protein pack. So very scientific. Look at this tablespoon. Again, you put in as much as you want. Some people would put walnuts in and also some protein powder. Then, you know I like to spice things up, cayenne. All these things, all these items, if you Google it, there is some correlation with being a natural Viagra. So hey, that works, go for it. I'm not a doctor though, or a scientist. And because of my Canadian heritage, yep, fans out there, I'm Canadian. I like to put a little swig of maple syrup. It might not be as healthy anymore, but hey, you do what you want to do. I do what I want to do. So, we need to put either water or milk in this. Some people like to put ice cubes. I'm not a big fan of ice cubes. If you want your shake really cold, you can always put it in the fridge afterwards. 1 cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk, you can use 1%, you can use skim, whatever your heart fancies. And 1 cup of distilled water. I should make a video on how I distill my water. It's super cool. Maybe down the road. So there you go. It's kind of looks watery, but it's going to be a thick. But if you like it even more watery, add more milk or more water. And now there's going to be another little thing that I do. You won't believe this. Won't believe it. I need my cutting board and this mask. Oh boy. See, I still can't do it. Knife. So the trick is, I went into my garden. Thank God for the summer. I have Italian parsley. Hey, I love parsley. Throw it in. Now I don't have to brush my teeth. I'm just kidding. There you go. You don't have to do parsley. And I have some cloves. Oh, I have my knife, but I'm just, whoa, I'm so manly. I'm ripping it. Chives. Yeah, chives. Anything green. So those people that love green stuff out there, there's my green. And of course, basil. I wash everything. And even the bananas, before I froze them, I washed them. So you can wash bananas. And I always wash my bananas. It's just a thing I do. So let's get this on the blender, or on top of the blender, or whatever you want to say, and get this bad boy going. This is a 10-speed blender. Classic. Remember those 10-speed bikes when you were a lot younger? It's on low. I'm going to just pulse it for a little bit. To get the... Oh my gosh! It's going to fly out. Thank God. I forgot to put this on. You guys would have laughed. Thank God I was just pulsing. Let's put that on. That would have been funny. Maybe too funny. Oh yeah, that horsepower. It's done. So let me get a cool glass, pour it, and say cheers. Hey, I do want to definitely help out the world. I'm going to use this amazing container. It's on the go. It has a reusable straw, which is super cool for the environment. And it's one cool thing. And if I don't drink all of this, I can definitely put it in the fridge afterwards or to go. Of course, I didn't blend it too long. Some people would blend it a lot longer. Again, you do what you like to do. So let's pour this baby. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, my kind of consistency. Some people like it thicker, some people like it more watery. But it is a blueberry banana smoothie. Call it a shake, call it whatever you want. And then let's put this. Oh, I have a cool straw. Let's put it in like that. And there we go. Hey, this is like beyond cool. Like, really, think about it. Super cool. Anyways, remember to subscribe. I do want to reach that amazing mark of 1,000 subscribers. Do it for me. And of course, I will continue to send out cool videos like this. Cheers, everyone.